All right, Jack and Claire, it's Uncle Greg. It's still Uncle Greg. And I'm still with Chester, and he's still in the backpack, enjoying the adventure. I wanted to show you this because this is one of my favorite parts of the hike that I've been looking forward to for weeks. I'm coming up on the tree line. And the tree line is where there is not enough air for trees to grow. You can tell I'm breathing a little hard, and I'm speaking a little bit slowly because I don't want to get too tired. You know how when you exercise, you go run around and then you breathe. That's your body getting all the air to get more energy to keep going. But up here, there's not enough air, and if I exercise a lot, I can I'll be breathing too quickly. And you'll notice, look at that tree. Eventually, once you get higher and higher up, the trees get smaller and smaller because there's not enough air. And at a certain point, there'll be no more trees, and there might just be a couple little bushes or pieces of grass. And then after that, there'll be nothing. It's pretty cool to be up here and see it in person. I think Chester is also very excited. I think this is the first time Chester's been above the tree line. So we are at 11,000 feet right now. I think this is the highest I've ever been in elevation. It's 11,000 feet above sea level, and Santa Barbara is at sea level. That's where we measure all of the height from. So I'm normally used to living in pretty good air where it's easy to breathe. And even when we do the mountains up in Santa Barbara, those might only go up to 2,000 or 3,000 or maybe 4,000 feet. But there's still a lot of air. It's still easy to breathe. But up here, we're at 11,000. And at the very top, it's 11,500. This is the tallest peak in all of Southern California. So I just thought you'd like to see what it looks like. Here's behind me. There's some trees over here. There was a lake on the other side of that, and there was snow on the side of the mountain. It was a little hard to see. And then over there, if you look carefully, you can see part of Los Angeles. It's the very far neighborhoods of Los Angeles. But okay, Chester and I, we're gonna get going now. We hope you're doing well. Love you guys. Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye.